So today, standard form. There are 3 forms that we're going to work with over the next 3 weeks. Okay, we're going to spend 1 week on each. The week we're working on right now is 7.1. We're going to have equations that look like this. We're going to have an x squared, a constant, and a variable with x. Okay. Next week we are going to be doing vertex form. Okay. It is going to have a set of parentheses with something squared. Okay. 2 weeks from now is going to be this one. This is called factored form. Okay. This is going to have 2 sets of parentheses, both to the first power. All 3 weeks, we're going to be graphing a parabola just in a different way. You're going to see some similarities in some of the things we do. We're going to find x-intercepts, y-intercepts, vertex, axis of symmetry, things like that. Like I said, we're going to go nice and slow each week through each set. You may see a problem today where one of these 2 terms is missing. It's not a big deal. It's just that value will be worth 0 when we go to do certain things like quadratic formulas and things like that. All right. Morning, Ash.
Morning.
All right. So let's get started. Today, okay. I'll make sure I don't give you one that we're already doing. Let's go f of x equals, let's see here. Let's go x squared plus 6x. I want to make sure you get a decent one that's going to work out. That'll work. All right, here we go. Okay, today we're going to cover parts A, B, C, and D of this assignment. Okay, we're going to start with this equation here. First thing they ask you is what is the degree, name, and shape? Well, what's slick about this is all 6 problems today in your homework, they all have the same degree, name, and shape. All right, the degree is the largest exponent that this problem has. All right, what is the largest exponent that we're going to have in all these problems? Simon? 2. So we're going to call this a second-degree polynomial. Okay. Its name is a quadratic. The second degree one is 2. It's called a quadratic. That is its name. Okay. And then for its shape, when we graph this, what will we call that shape? What does it make? Starts with the letter P. Parabola. Be good. All right. Part B ask you for its behavior. Does it open up or down? Does anybody remember how we determined that? Does it open up or down? Anybody? This one is going to open up upwards, all right? It's going to look something like this. Why is that? What in this equation, when I look at it, says, hey, it's going to go up when it opens? There's no math. You just have to recognize one little thing. Cool. You're on the right track, all right? You look in front of the x squared term. If it is positive, it will open up. Okay. So if I gave you another equation, say f of x equals, let's go negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. This one has a negative in front of the x squared, which means it's going to open down. Okay. So right now, I want you to do parts A and B for all 6 problems of your homework. Give you guys probably 10 minutes to cover that. And then we'll show you how to do parts C and D. Oh, Mary, what's going on?
Okay.
What's that?
What are we doing?
No, I got one for you, buddy. Oh, okay. Perfect. Perfect. Yep. Marion, we are working on chapter 7, section 1, if you go to school. This is for the next 3 weeks. Perfect.